Hey guys, it's Miss Chasing to you and welcome back to my channel. So today is a special day where I live. Yeah, I'm in Florida and it's supposed to snow. So I'm gonna record it for y'all because y'all might be used to the snow, but we not. And a ditch. That's how my son practice pole vault. But anyway, I got my layers ready and I need to go find my gloves. It's content for y'all. So right now it's currently about 30 degrees and y'all, this wind is cutting up. I came outside to check on my lemon tree because it's a little uncovered. So I'm a little nervous about that. But y'all, it's not that cold yet, but I also have on layers. I have on a jacket, another jacket, a hoodie, and then this heavy jacket. So yeah, we not prepared for the snow, but we excited though. All the excited parents. Y'all, I'm an 80s baby, and we haven't seen like real snow. We've seen like little droplets of ice, but real snow, no. I might cry, but I'll pick y'all up later after I check on my tree. Here's my tree right here. Y'all see her? I hope she survives. We tried to cover her up. Y'all, we had some water in the wheelbarrow. It's ice. It's frozen. It won't move. It's ice. Oh, it's just iced on the top. All right, guys, we're outside again. We actually brought the dogs out, and then we were looking at each other like, wait, it's snowing. It's a little bit, but you can see it on the ground. This is the beginning, y'all. The beginning of the snow. It's happening. Like, you can really see it. It's starting to come down even more. Alright, y'all, you can see the snow is still falling. I'm going to show y'all the snow on my car so far. It just started about 11. What time is it now? So this is like after like
it's 11:19.
20 minutes. So it's about 20 minutes. You can't stay long. You feel it? Just feel it. You can see it. Y'all, it's snowing. It's real snow. Hey. Yes. You wanna go back in? Huh? Huh? No? Okay, you can't stay on my back too much longer. You falling.
I want to see if you can stand.
Wrap your feet. Huh?
Come on, my back turn.
It's snowing.
It's not really snowing.
It's really coming down, y'all.
Look at the slide.
Just play in the snow. Oh my God, it's snowing. Alright guys, so it is actually snowing and you can actually see the snow as it falls. So you see my jacket, like see the snow all over my jacket. Y'all, this is like dedication right here because I'm out here in the cold snow for y'all. Y'all see the snow? You see it falling? Look at my garden. It's done. It's so cool. Alright, I'm about to go inside because it's freezing with the dogs. So I'll come back out a little later once it's like hit me in my face. I'll come out again later, like after it sticks for a while, and show y'all what it looks like. But y'all, this is so cool. This is my first time seeing it snow like this. Like, it's really, really snowing. I can't believe it. I'm about to cry. It literally just started snowing like 30 minutes ago. And look at the roofs. So yeah. This is my front yard, y'all. Look.
Oh my God.
It actually looks like something off of a movie.
Look at y'all cars. Ooh, it's getting over my eyes.
Look at the cars. We ain't going nowhere today. Yeah, man, I was out here like, I'm out here like a little kid. We need to take some vitamins.
All the cars.
Good, man.
Good.
He's all up your beer.
No, no. It's all over. I got snow all over. What? Alright, it's getting too cold out here. Ooh, good one. I got him. He can hold him. Come on, hold my camera. Get film. Come on, give me back to you. 1, 2, 3, jump.
It's really snowing.
Really coming down.
Look at y'all flower beds. I can't see the roof. Look at the slide.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the roof. No, logic.
All right, y'all. So we are out here again. It's been snowing. The time is like 12:04 p.m. It has been snowing for about an hour now, y'all. We not used. Look at this. You see this?
Look at my hair. I was only here for like.
Like, look at the dogs. They just like. Rain gonna be going in a minute. She gonna get cold. She gonna run for the door.
Got used to this.
She trying to figure out what it is. She was made for this. Got like, I'm made for this. But y'all look, it's actually like on the tables. I never thought I'd see this in my lifetime. Look at the sky. Like, look at it falling down. We can see it falling down. This is insane. Sky is loving it.
It like makes everything so bright.
Yes, it's like big flurries. Yep. It's gonna. It froze up again.
Wait, I'm gonna touch it. That is not. It's like a slushy right now.
Yeah, because you just broke it. Look at this slide. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Just look. Look. What is going on? It's what we coming to. Like, we can't even see. Look at the cars. Like, look. Yeah, they making footprints out here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Don't go to me. I'm writing my name.
They writing their name in the snow. Y'all see that? Elijah just broke his bed. He's just taking over the whole cul-de-sac. So, it's snowing. Y'all, I'm literally walking in the snow. He's all in my videos. So disrespectful. Disrespectful. Anyway, so I'm going inside. I don't know if I'm coming back out. Maybe when it's done. But
It is. Wait. Go down again.
Look at Sky.
She eating the snow.
Sky, really, bro?
Liza, why you keep falling?
It's so slippery right there.
It is. I can see where she lives. The ground's like frozen.
All right, let's go in. Come on.
He's made our first snowman. Whew. Tank, wave the camera, Tank. Whew. Boy, coming down. Rain. Sky and the snow playing around. Oh, it's playing in the snow.
Skylight, come on, bro. Ooh, ooh. Now look how deep it is. See the footsteps. This is the yard now. It's still coming down.
Hold on, let me put this aside. You better try this.
Oh, no.
Got the camera. Don't do my face.
This hand's gonna be real cool. He's gonna be fell into the hole. I'm gonna set it up for someone else to put it in. No.
Hey, Sky. Hey, Sky. Got that personal thing, girl.
She tried to eat it. Look at her face.
This looks like a movie. I swear this looks like a movie.
It does.
Good one, Dad.
Look at our feet, Mama.
I know.
I'm making snow.
This is the perfect spot for a snow angel.
Ooh.
Dad's making a snow angel.
It's actually working. He has
Yeah,
the best
you gotta do your
ground.
feet. Do your feet.
Your legs.
Your legs.
Alright, I'll do one too.
Do your legs.
I'm getting up.
Here, Sky.
And it's still not done.
No way, it's not done yet.
Nope.
This is unbelievable. This is Florida. Why is it like this?
Y'all, it's cold. But we still keep coming back out here. It's insane. It's insane. I never thought I'd see this. Not here, at least. Look how deep it is. It is now. What time is it?
Look at this, man.
What time is it?
What time is it? 4:10.
It's now 4:10. It has not stopped snowing since what, 10?
Yeah.
Since 10 a.m. and it's 4:10 p.m. Like, look how deep. Look how deep the snow is, y'all. Look at Sky. Sky is loving it. She like, yes, this is my element. Y'all, it's about to cover up the whole bed. This is crazy. This is wild. Look at it. Just look. Let her out. She gonna learn today.
Come on, Ray. Ooh, I almost fell.
Dang. You can hear it. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. It buried my feet.
car, bro.
Look at the cars. I'm literally snowed in, y'all. Y'all snowman is gone. Look at this. Look at the garage. It's lower over here.
Walk in right there. You gonna sink.
Whew.
It's deep over here.
My
It's
whole
more than
boot
4
is
inches.
down there.
How many inches of snow you supposed to get?
6.
8.
Well, I think it went up to 8. Whew.
I'm gonna go get a tape measure.
Inches in some places. We're in Florida and we never get snow. The last time we had snow was like over 100 years ago. So this is something exciting for us. Look at the treehouse and the slide. It's like something out of, okay, it is a little colder, y'all. Yesterday the little dog wouldn't come out at all. But she's out here today. I think she's gonna get cold in a minute. Take her inside. Well, y'all, this is the backyard. I'll take you and show you the front yard. Hey, no. Y'all, the sun is out. It's so beautiful. It's been gloomy the past couple of days, so this is beautiful right here. All right, I'm gonna get the dogs back inside because it's too cold for the little one. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna show you the front yard. It wasn't cold at first, and then the wind said, okay, you not cold, sis? I'm gonna give you some cold, and it blew, and I was like, okay, I'm inside. And I almost fell. I almost busted my behind on that ice. You see how icy it is? It's like, that's ice, y'all. Most roads are closed just to driving in this. So, and y'all, it's really icy. Like, the more it melts, the worse it gets. Like, you can see it melting off the roof. Look at the icicles. Cause it's gonna turn into ice. Cause it's gonna be cold like the rest of the week. So there's that. But this has been like a very surreal moment. Cause y'all, we never get snow. My AC is working overtime. Lord, please don't let it go out. This is like, it's my neighbor's roof. Put my glove back on. But y'all, it is so amazing. And it's cold. People are walking their dogs. My dog, she's loving it. It's still deep out here. It's still soft. It's like the front and the backyard is like completely different sceneries and stuff. Like over here, y'all, it was up to my knees. Look at the cars. I can't go anywhere if I wanted to. Look at that. The snow is like above my car. It probably won't open. This the side. Y'all, it almost covered the coolers. It's deep over there, y'all. Like, I couldn't open my gate if I wanted to. But it's like a winter wonderland. It's the milk. But the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. It's like Colorado or something. Let's see. I know I don't hear nobody driving. Yep, y'all, somebody on the road. Let's see who it is. Sound like they sliding. Some spots are melting. It's like big chunks of ice. You can see the snow angel from last night. This is my neighbor's yard. Let's go look up the street and get some pictures. Somebody drove on this street last night. Y'all see it? That's a beautiful. I knew you was gonna do that, and it didn't even.
I didn't want to hit you with your face off.
Yeah, that would have hurt it. grass. I'm so excited to see grass. Here's the backyard. At first, Rain was like, I'm not having this, but now she like it. So it's about halfway melted. It's not halfway, but some of the way. Like over there is still like a whole lot. Table cleared off. Yeah, it's still a lot, y'all. Alright, so today is day 3. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show y'all, like, until the snow melts. I'm gonna keep coming back to show y'all what it looks like on different days. So today is day 3. I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Alright guys, so today is January the 24th. I think that makes it day 4. I know it's kind of clearing up. Today it's supposed to be 52 degrees. So hopefully we'll have this wrapped up by the time I get home, because I'm over it. But my yard is still full of snow. So here we are. Alright y'all, so now we are in the front yard. This is the side that was like still full of snow. Yep, it's still full of snow. It's clearing up slowly. All this ice almost fell this morning. Got my car warming up. The front yard is almost clear. I'm so excited because I'm over it. It was fun. Alright y'all, it's kind of bittersweet. The snow is melting. That whole side is clear. It was fun while it lasted. They built the snowman. So look at their snowman with the last bit of snow. Y'all, it's really bittersweet. It's like, I'm kind of excited that it's about to be gone, but I'm also kind of sad. But I can say that we experienced real snow. It was actually on my bucket list. Oh, it's so cool what they use. They're very creative with their snowman. But yep, it's almost gone. Almost. It's hard to believe. There was so much snow out here.